Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this really simple honeycomb shelf slash decor item. Although there are only a couple materials required for this project, it does take a while to assemble, so you should grab a movie, grab some videos to watch on YouTube, and get comfortable. So you are going to first off need a template for the shape you want to do. I'm doing the honeycomb shape, as you can see. You could add some things in the center like I had in the beginning of this clip, or you could have like an extra honeycomb on the side like you saw in my very first clip, the end clip, or you can do a completely different shape altogether. It doesn't really matter, it's up to you. The materials that you will need are obviously popsicle sticks, so whatever size you want or whatever color, you could buy them already colored. And then some kind of glue to stick everything together. I use hot glue because I think it just dries the fastest, dries faster than wood glue. It's quick, it's easy, it's just very simple. Then you're just going to keep going round and round as I'm doing, layering them one over the other until you get the thickness you want. Mine was 10 popsicles thick, and that was still pretty shallow, so if you want a thicker something, that if you have like an idea to put a pot on it or something bigger, like you already have that in mind, you can make it bigger. Or if it's really just a decor item, you don't plan to use it as a shelf or to put anything on it, you can make it 5 because it doesn't really have to pop out of the wall that much. Then you have to pick something to decorate it. So I use a wood finished in a honey color. You could also use acrylic paint, or you could just leave it the way it is. This part is completely customizable and up to you and whatever you want to do. So just find something that you like, sit down, and have fun with it because it's really simple, it's really fun, and you can make it how you want it to be. After painting it and letting it dry, you just have to find some nails or a couple tacks to put up on the wall and hang something. I hung this cute little planter up there. It holds it sturdy, and yeah, that's it.